wanted to make this video for Kurt and all the Hoover boys. And thanks a lot, guys, for having the contest. KELLYCO, thanks for hosting the contest for the Hoover boys. I will be using this in the Ohio trip when we go. Kurt, once again, thank you, Kurt, Leo, Bill, and Brad. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate this. You guys are awesome. Kurt, I can't wait to meet you in Ohio, buddy. And I did have the 5x8 coil. There's the one, the 8x11 that came with. I'm bringing both of them with me when I come to Ohio. And no, Brad, this will not be on eBay, buddy. Once again, I appreciate this, guys. You don't know how much. I can't say thank you enough.